Hi friends, let us find the product of two fractions very easily using a paper folding activity. Let me take an example. Let us say I have to multiply this half into 1 by 4. Okay, I have to find the product of 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. So what I do is simple. It is whole. We know. I just first I cut this into half. Okay, that is I've just folded this as half. Okay, now this is half, right? So now what I do is I need half into 1 by 4, correct? So this is half. So 1 by 4 I need. So I make 4 foldings here. Okay, this is 1, okay, and 2, right? See, if I make 4 foldings like this, then easily you can make out that is I've made a full into half and again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 foldings. Now what I want is half into 1 by 4, correct? Half into 1 by 4. This is half and again I made 4 foldings. So 1 by 4 of half. This is half. Okay, this side is half. So 1 by 4 of half is so much, right? So this is my 1 by 4 of half. And now you can see, friends, what is the answer for this is, you can see this is 1 by 4 of half, that is half into 1 by 4. That is now I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's so this will be 1 by 8. That's all. This is the answer. So half into 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. What I did is I just cut it into half. Then I made 4 folds and I know this is 1 by 4 of this half of this. That's all. Right, friends? So it is very simple. Friends, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe now because I'm planning to upload many more videos of this kind. Then please share it with others so it will be very helpful for them. And if you have got any comments, don't forget to put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.